last year was timeless, and this year we're having half man, half amazing. If you're someone who is used to the entertainment space, you know what I'm talking about. Today in the studio, we have the legendary man who is funny to the bones. His name is Funnybone. One name.
Lodana.
No.
Thanks for having me. Good to be home. You know, anytime it's my pleasure to be home.
Yeah, that's nice. In my last year, May intro don't cover.
Yep.
Well, then this year you are taking it up again a higher level, and this year, half man, half amazing. How did that thing come about?
So basically, it's about my personality. You know, it's the fact that I'm able to be serious and be funny at the same time.
Yeah.
So I have, you know, the other side where when you see me, you don't even know that I'm a comedian. And the other part that is a comic. So it's just me, you know, playing with both sides of my personalities.
Yeah, because I think I can relate to that because there are some there are times you weigh into, you know, broader topics, and when I read them, I'm like, okay, this person is not like
just
the
a
regular, you know, just a comedian. You know that everything is, you know, used as a joke. There is a serious, you know, aspect to him, and he's also very deep. Like for those who do not know him. So for you to come back again this year, Ogosina last year was successful.
Yeah. So success is relative.
Okay.
Financially, I cannot say that. But you see, again, there's more to what we do than just finance.
Yeah.
It's the fact that they enjoy it.
Yeah.
And you want to come back again and still give them a feel of what they enjoy.
True.
And hoping that, you know, just hoping that sometimes, someday, it becomes a norm or a thing for those from this. Like, they accept it, own it, and they look forward to it every year.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to build something that I'm going to be proud of in 10 years' time.
Yeah.
You know, and where else, if not home, where I come from, you know.
True.
I'm Igbo. Enugu is the capital of the southeast as far as I'm concerned. So it doesn't matter if you're from Anambra, Abia, Ebonyi, we're Igbo, and we're one Igbo. So Enugu is I think, is the heart of the southeast.
True.
And that's where, you know, we're trying to make it happen.
Yeah, that's very true. Yeah. I was at last year's show, and I would also be at tomorrow's one. And we saw how hot it was, the energy, the performances. I had a good time last year. And even now, both with what you are doing, we have other, you know, comedians now. Some people who saw what you did last year and also brought theirs home. We've seen people like MC Monica, Sanchez.
Yeah.
You know,
Sanchez is the home.
Yes, Sanchez is the home.
He's the home and abroad.
Yes. I even saw him at House on the Rock.
He's also a church. He's a church comedian.
Yes. So he's you know, these comedians now, our comedians now who, you know, grew from here and are being, you know, exporting to the southwest. What you are doing, what you did last year, showed us that okay, we can have, though we've had, you know, we've had big shows like that. Yeah, but it was very, very encouraging. So half man, half amazing. What is the lineup for tomorrow?
So this year we went strictly comedy.
Okay.
Because it's a comedy show. So we have AY, we have Agoda, we have Akpororo, we have Edo Pikin, we have Sa One on One, we have Albino Brothers, we have Sanchez, we have Fun Food from Benin, we have Prince Neches from Oka, we have Sister Ekwutosi. So it's going to be an amazing night of humor.
So you guys have had it. If you don't come, I don't know what you're looking for. So you said this is going to be comedy all through. We are not expecting any musical.
I mean, in between, we can just throw in some of, you know, Southeast finest. If XG would come through. He's a very good friend of mine, so he will come through. And I mean, some other ones that I'm also close to. But it's tied around strictly comedy.
Okay. That's wonderful. It promises to be a show where you just come and laugh, forget about what is happening in the country, and just in a way, BP. This is where to be. Calm down, and So let's go. Let's divert a little. So looking at the comedy industry here in the Southeast, would you say that our people are having quality material, like material as in jokes and you know, our people here who are growing from here are having this kind of quality materials that, you know, they can export from here to the West? I've seen some of our comedians here, you know, this who started here. Like I like using Sanchez as an example because I see he's having a show in Lagos also. Yeah. So coming from Enugu over Lagos there, now, have you seen that much quality in the industry?
Yes, yes. Quality is also a personal thing for you and your craft. Yeah. You define what you, because it's your journey.
True.
You know, you would have to say to yourself where you want to take your brand to. You know, like you just said, Sanchez is doing amazingly well. Yeah. You know, and I mean, he's from here. You know, and he doesn't even do his content in Igbo. He speaks English.
True, true.
So that's to say that you can decide what good direction you want to go with your brand. I know that Forever spent time here too because he's cool here too.
Yes, Forever. Yeah,
we was here. Twins Parrot, they are doing an amazing thing too in Igbo.
Yes.
It's just, so just find your forte. But I think that there are amazing crop of new comedians coming out now, and I'm impressed for them.
Yeah.
You know, I'm happy for them. Yeah. You know that they are breaking barriers. They are pushing the boundaries to say that their voice is being heard, and I'm impressed, and I'm happy for them all.
Okay, that's a very strong one. Yeah. So half man, half amazing. Which of the halves should we be?
The other half now.
The other half.
The one that is half.
Okay.
The amazing is Chibuna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now you're seeing the other half. That's not normal.
Yes. Funnybone.
Yeah, that's not normal. Yes.
Okay, so in the Enugu, you have had it.
The one that's not well.
We are going to see, and we've seen it before. Yeah. But this one we are seeing is another dimension. So come out tomorrow, Amadeo Event Centre by 7 p.m. Right?
Yeah. Keep your emotions at home. I go talk anyhow.
True. So come out tomorrow and let us have fun. Let us meet the half man, the man that is half man, half amazing, not half man, half woman like Shoma Shukuka said.
The other half.
Yeah. So let's see the half man of Funnybone. Thank you for joining us today. Yeah.
Bless up. Thank you guys.